Hey there, welcome to what's basically a shared diary of diving headfirst into the IoT world. I'm starting with something I stumbled upon on IoT Circuit Hub. So it's a project on indoor plant watering system. It's my first project with the ESP32, and basically I will be using the circuit given in this project, but the code part I'll be taking help of ChatGPT, as I'm new to the IoT coding part, though I have worked on STM32 before. So let's see. For starting, this is the BOM, and this is the basically the circuit that we will be trying to make, or I'll be trying to make. For starting, I have this ESP32 dev kit, as you can see, and a 0.96 OLED display. So first I will be configuring this. So let's see if anything comes on the display or not. And it's not tutorial video, it's basically real-time learning with all ups and downs. So yes, let's see how it goes. Thank you.